For example, you are comparing a two product here. One is a mobile, second one is a laptop. Along with this text, if there is an image, your presentation will look better. How to insert a image? How to insert a image? Very simple. We have to go to insert option, image. There you can insert a image from computer itself if it is stored in a computer. If it is there in a drive, you can take it from a drive also, or else you can directly search from the web, that is nothing but from Google. If I select that one, if I say mobile, some of the image will be loaded. We'll select one, which one will be suitable for you. We'll select that one, then select here insert. Okay, it will be a oversized in the sense here some of the gap is there. I would like to reduce this size. Okay, how to reduce this size? We can go to a, once you selected an image, go to format, image, crop. Okay, when you have selected a crop, you can go to a corner, you can select the, like this, you can reduce the size of the image, in the sense whatever the portion you require, only that portion you can keep, others you can trim. Once you have been trimmed this one, the black color corners, this is nothing but a, you have been trimmed, then click outside to get it resized. Okay, then to reduce the size, what we have to do, we have to go to corner. Okay, that blue dot is there, corner dot, click and drag so that you can reduce the size. Then you can click and drag, select and drag to place where you would like to place. Okay, this is about inserting a image. Again, if you like to format the image, then you can go to a format, then image, then you can say replace the image. For example, if you like to replace with another image, this image instead of this image, other image, if you like to replace, you can replace the image. Reset image, in the sense, if you click on a reset image, it will come to a original size. What you have been done a cropping, it will be retrieved, in the sense original size you will be getting. Again, you can apply a border to your image. Okay, you can apply a border. You can change the border weight by going to format, borders and lines. You can change the size of the border. Like this, we can change the image. We can format the image into a your Google Slides.